Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a BMW 5 Series. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and in the car, then open iDrive communication and choose New Device to start pairing. Confirm the PIN that appears on both screens and allow contacts and messages access if you want hands-free calling. If CarPlay or Android Auto is preferred, switch to the USB method and follow the on-screen prompts. To pair over Bluetooth, keep your phone unlocked and discoverable while you navigate iDrive steps. Select Communication, manage mobile devices, and choose Connect New Device, then pick Bluetooth and wait for your phone to appear. When the PIN shows, verify it matches and accept on both screens, then allow contact syncing for caller ID and message previews. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or restart the iDrive system. Before retrying, for CarPlay or Android Auto, plug into the dedicated USB port with a reliable cable and accept prompts on your phone immediately. In iDrive, enable the corresponding interface under smartphone integration and select the phone to launch the app suite. If the system hangs or icons are missing, disconnect, restart the phone, and reconnect to force a fresh session. This clears common glitches so navigation, music, and calls work smoothly while you drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.